Hi my dear students, welcome back again. In this lecture, we will be discussing JEE Mains 2025, 23rd January morning full paper. We'll go through each and every question in detail, analyze all the concepts clearly and explore the best possible ways to solve the questions in the most efficient way. Make sure you stay tuned till the end so that you don't miss any tricks or insights. Let's get started. So we'll go with the section A followed by section B. In section A, the first question, which is from definite integration. See this friends, integral e square to e power 4 1 by x of e raised to something log x whole square plus 1 power minus 1 again divided by something. See, the moment you see, it is looking like in the most complex way, but log x, here you have log x and here you have 1 by x. If you can observe these two carefully, 80% of the question will be solved here itself. See, just if you take log x is equals to t by using substitution method, log x is equals to t, 1 by x dx will be dt now. See how the problem will be changed now. Put log x is equals to t implies 1 by x dx will be dt. So let me take this as some I is equals to, even limits will also be changed. If x is equals to e square, t will be, so 2 to 4, 1 by x dx will be dt e power 1 by 1 plus t square divided by e power 1 by 1 plus t square plus e power 1 by 1 plus 6 minus t whole square. 6 minus t whole square dt. If we can able to observe one more pattern in this, sum of these two, 4 plus 2, sum of these two limits, 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is of the form f of a plus b minus x. So by using King's rule, now by kr, the same I we can write it as 2 to 4 f of x, integral a to b f of x, we can write it as integral a to b f of a plus b minus x whole dx. This is what we say King's rule. So from King's rule, what we get? Integral I is equals to integral 2 to 4 e power 1 by 1 plus, in place of t, what we can replace? 4 plus 2, 6 minus t whole square, that is 1 plus 6 minus t whole square divided by e power 1 by 1 plus 6 minus t whole square plus e power 1 by 1 plus t square. Now if you are going to add these two friends, by adding these two, we get 2i is equals to 2 to 4. See, denominator is same. Denominator is e power 1 by 1 plus t square plus e power 1 by 1 plus 6 minus t whole square for both. Numerator will be now added, e power 1 by 1 plus t square plus e power 1 by 1 plus 6 minus t whole square. So same by same, which is nothing but 1 dt. So 1 dt is nothing but integral 2 to 4. Integral 2 to 4, 1 dt is nothing but t from 2 to 4. So this is equals to 2i is equals to 4 minus 2, which is equals to 2. I is equals to 1 friends. So answer is 1. See, this is the first most important step. If you can take log x, if you have understood that taking the approach by putting log x is equals to t, majority of the question has been solved here itself. Then 1 by 1 plus t square, analyzing that this is of the form a plus b minus x, then again we can write it as by using King's rule. By using King's rule, one more step. Next question. I of x is equals to integral dx by, one of the most standard integral problem. Standard integral question. See guys, half the sum of numerators will be denominator. Half the sum of numerators, half of 11 plus 15. Half of 11 plus 15 is 26, half of 26 is 13, which is denominator. In that case, what you take? You just take one random expression, x minus 1 divided by x plus 15 or x plus 15 divided by x minus 11. Anything is fine. If you take this as t, then x plus 15, 15 plus 11, 26 divided by x plus 5 whole square dx is equals to dt. So nothing but dx by x plus 15 whole square will be equals to dt by 1 by 26. So now I will be equals to integral dt is nothing but dx by x plus 15 whole square. Actually, this problem we can write it as dx divided by, we can write x minus 11 by x plus 15 whole power 11 by 13 into x plus 15 whole square, friends. This is the first step that you are supposed to express. Now this is nothing but dx by x plus 15 whole square is dt by 26. So 1 by 26 times dt divided by t power 11 by 13. So this becomes 1 by 26 into, it is of the form t power minus 11 by 13. Minus 11 by 13 integral t power minus 11 by 13 dt. T power integral minus 11 by 13 is integral x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So minus 11 by 13 plus 1, which is 2 by 13, t power 2 by 13 divided by 2 by 13. 13 ones, 13 twos. So that is 1 by 4 times t power 2 by 13. But what is t? T is x minus 11 by x plus 15. X minus 11 by x plus 15 whole power 2 by 13. Now what is this, friends? This is our I of x. So I of x is equals to 1 by 4 of x minus 11 divided by x plus 15 whole power 2 by 13. What they are asking us to find? I of 37 minus I of 24 we need. So this is equals to 1 by 4 common karo. 37 minus 11, which is 26, divided by 37 plus 15, which is 52, whole divided by 2 power 13 minus x minus 11 by x plus 15. That is 24 minus 11, 13, 24 plus 24 minus 11 divided by 24 plus 15. 24 plus 15 is 39 whole power 2 by 13. That's it. So this becomes 1 za 2 za 1 za 3 za 1 by 4 times, we can write this as 1 by 4 power 1 by 13 minus 1 by 3 square is 9 power 1 by 13. So if you compare this expansion with 1 by the result 1 by b power 1 by 13 minus 1 by c power 1 by 13, b is equals to 4 we get and c is equals to 9. Now they are asking us to find 3 of b plus c. B plus c is 9 plus 4 13. 13 3s are 39 is the answer. Clear? Next question, friends. If the function f of x is equals to a simple question from limits and continuity which can just be solved by equating, they said that this function is continuous at x equals to 0. That means LHL is equals to RHL is equals to value of the function at x equals to a. So at x equals to 0, what is LHL now? See, LHL is sine of 2 times sine of k1 plus 1 x divided by x. Sine ax by x is a. So this we can write it as, now LHL is equals to 2 times sine of k plus 1 x by x, which is nothing but k plus 1. I am writing it directly, plus sine of k2 minus 1 into x divided by x, that is k2 minus 1. Friends, I am using sine ax by x as a. So this is LHL. Now what is RHL? RHL is nothing but, for that we know limit extends to 0, log 1 plus ax by x is equals to a. 1 plus ax only. So for that, what I would like to do, this expansion we can write it as 2 into, I can take first 2 common. If I take 2 by x of log of 1 plus k1 by 2x divided by 1 plus k1 by 2 by k2 by 2x. Okay, now see this, friends. Log, this we can write it as log a by b as log a minus log b. So 2 times of log 1 plus k1 by 2x minus log 1 plus k2 by 2x. Okay, whole divided by x, guys, whole divided by x. So log 1 plus ax by x is a. So this is nothing but 2 times k1 by 2 minus k2 by 2. Now this LHL should be equals to 4 and even RHL also should be equals to 4. So that is nothing but now k1 minus k2 is equals to 4 and k1 plus k2 is equals to how much? 2. So if we take k1, 2k1 is equals to 6, k1 is equals to 3. If k1 is 3, what is k2? k2 is equals to minus 1. k1 we got, k2 we got. They are asking us to find k1 square plus k2 square. 3 square plus 1, which is 9 plus 1, which is 10. Answer 4. Clear? Option 4. Next question. If the line 3x minus 2y plus 12 is equals to 0 intersects the parabola 4y is equals to 3x square at the points capital A and B. So first let's find the points of intersection of these two parabola and line. Okay. Clearly 4y is equals to 3x square is an upward parabola, friends. Is an upward parabola. Is an upward parabola. So let's draw this parabola. So this is what our y is equals to x square parabola, or 4y is equals to 3x square. Now there is one more line, 3x minus 2y plus 12 is equals to 0. So this line has x-intercept negative, y-intercept positive. So equation of this line will be now somewhere it will be like this. Okay, we have got. Now what are the points of intersection of line and parabola? For that we are supposed to solve these two. 4y is equals to 3x square. But what is y? Y we can write it as 4 into y is 3x plus 12 divided by 2 is equals to 3x square. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 6x, or we can take 3 common. So 2 times of x plus 4 is equals to x square. If I take 3 common, 3 1s are 3 4s are 3 1s are. So x square minus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. X square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. X of x minus 4 plus 2 of x minus 4 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 2. X is equals to plus 4. If x is minus 2, what is y? Y is equals to 3 by 4 into x square. X square is y is equals to 3 in this case. If x is equals to 4, 4 square 16, 16 by 5 4, y is equals to 12. So there are 2 points of intersection. What are the 2 points of intersection? Now this point is some minus 2 comma 3, okay, and another point is 4 comma 12. Okay, we have got a comma b. Now what they are asking us to do, then at the vertex is this one. This is in standard form, so origin will be the vertex. At the vertex, the line segment AB subtends an angle. So that means, dear friends, if you join AO and OB, they are asking us to find this angle between two lines. You can get the slope of OA, we can get the slope of OB. Now tan theta is equals to mod of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So what is m1? 3 by minus 2, which is minus 3 by 2. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Slope of OA. Now slope of OB, which is equals to m2, 12 by 4, which is equals to plus 3. Now tan theta is equals to mod of m1 minus m2. So 3 plus 3 by 2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. 1 plus, that is minus, it becomes 3 into 3 by 2. So 3 plus 3 by 2 is 2, 3, 6. 9 by 2 divided by 2 minus 9 by 2, which is minus 7 by 2. So tan theta is equals to mod of 9 by minus 7 is 9 by 7. Theta is equals to tan inverse of 9 by 7. This will be acute angle. So it should be positive only. Okay. So which is option 4. A simple question, friends. Actually, what is the important basic question from geometry? It is not a question from parabola or conic sections. See what we did, solving parabola and line. We have got 2 points. Now if we join those 2 points to the origin, what is the angle subtended at the origin? They are asking us to find angle AOB. So this angle AOB, just by using simple concept of straight lines, angle between two lines, we have got this. Next question. If a curve y is equals to f of x pass through the points 0, 5 and log 2 to the base e, k, if the curve satisfies the differential equation is equals to 0, then k, value of k they are asking. So directly we can write 7 plus e power 2x into dy. If we take this to the other side, 2 times of 3 plus y e power 2x into dx. So finally guys, dy by dx is equals to 2 times of 3 plus y e power 2x divided by 7 plus e power 2x. So from here we can write this, friends. Dy by dx is equals to, convert in LD in y, 2 3s are 6, 2 y's are 4. So that we can write it as minus 2y into e power 2x divided by 7 plus e power 2x is equals to 2 3s are 6 into e power 2x by 7 plus e power 2x. Now clearly it is LD in y, dy by dx plus some py is equals to q. Now what is if? Integrating factor will find if is equals to e raised to integral p dx. What is p? P is nothing but minus 2 into e power 2x divided by 7 plus e power 2x. See, differentiation of denominator is in numerator. 7 plus e power 2x, if you differentiate, what is for e power 2x? It is e power 2x into, for 2x it is 2. So that is log mod denominator. So e power of minus log 7 plus e power 2x, which is equals to 1 by 7 plus e power 2x, friends. 1 by 7 plus e power 2x is our integrating factor. Now what is the solution? So solution is y into if, that is y into 1 by 7 plus e power 2x is equals to integral q. What is q? 6 into e power 2x. 6 into e power 2x divided by 7 plus e power 2x into 7 plus e power 2x. That is 7 plus e power 2x whole square dx. We can do one thing. Friends. Just simply we'll write it as, we'll write this 6 as 3 times 2 into e power 2x. So that, say if you take 7 plus e power 2x as t, 2 e power 2x will be dt. So this will be like dt by t square. dt by t square is minus 1 by t. So directly we can write it as, which implies y by 7 plus e power 2x is equals to minus 3 by 7 plus e power 2x plus c. They have given to get c 0, 5. It is passing through 0, 5. So put y is equals to 5 and x equals to 0. 5 by e power 0, 1. 5 by 8 is equals to minus 3 by 8 plus c, which implies c is equals to 8 by 8, 1, friends. We have got c. So directly now what will be the equation? Y is equals to minus 3 plus 7 plus e power 2x. So y is equals to 4 plus e power 2x. This is what the function, final function. Now final solution. Now what they are asking, this is also passes through log 2 comma k. So put y is equals to k. If you put y is equals to k and x equals to 2, x equals to log 2. If you put x equals to log 2, 2 log 2 is log 4. E power log 4 is 4. Now 4 plus 4, which is equals to 8. Therefore k equals to 8, friends. Clear? K is equals to 8. Next question. If a function f of x given, g of x given, then the domain of f circle G. Okay, simple question. First, what is domain of f of x? Domain of f of x is log x, no? Open 0 to infinity. X should be greater than 0. What about domain of G? We have to find it. Denominator should not be equals to 0. Let's check the discriminant of the denominator, friends. Discriminant of the denominator is b square minus 4ac. 4 minus 4 2s are 8, which is less than 0. That means it has imaginary roots. It will never be 0. Denominator can never be 0 for any real x. That means the graph will always be lying above x-axis, which is always positive. So denominator is positive. That means domain of G will be R, friends. X belongs to capital R. Okay. Now what is F circle G? F circle G of X is nothing but F of G of X is nothing but F of X is log, no? So log of G of X now. Log of G of X it is. Log of G of X. F of X is log X. F of G of X is log of G of X. So now G of X is a function in log. That means, so domain of F circle G is nothing but G of X should be positive. Anyhow, denominator is always positive. Now numerator, that is x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 2 should always be greater than 0. Should always be greater than 0. Now in options we have R, 0 to infinity, close to 0. First we will put x equals to 0. Is x equals to 0 is included in some region, not included. If we put x equals to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2 greater than 0. That means x equals to 0 is there in that, our domain. Negative solutions are not there in second option, third option and fourth option. Only in first option we have negative real numbers also. Just to put x equals to minus 1. If you put x is equals to minus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 for sure greater than 0. That means negative real numbers are also part of this. Positive are part, negative are part. So that means clearly x domain of F circle G of X is x belongs to capital R. Clear? Domain of F circle G of X is x belongs to capital R, friends, which is very simple. Only one particular solution helped us. Only one value, x equals to minus 1. If you take negative solutions are also satisfying our domain, where negative solutions are not part of anything. So hence this will be our answer. Okay. Next question. Let the arc AC of a circle subtends a right angle at the center. Subtends a right angle at the center. Okay. Arc AC. We'll draw an arc. This is an arc AC of a circle. Okay. Subtends a right angle at the center. Now this is 90 degree. Let the center of the circle be O. Okay, they have given. If the point B on the arc AC, there is one more point B, divides the length of the arc AB by length of the arc BC, which is equals to 1:5. Now friends, if I join OB, we have a concept of angle will be proportional to the length of the chord, correct? So that means even this angle will also be in this 1:5 ratio. Total 90 now. So this will be 15 degree now. This will be 75 degree. This will be 15 degree, 75 degree. Okay. Next. And OC bar is equals to, OC bar means, let's say this is C bar, this is B bar, this is some A bar. Let's take this is some radius of 1 unit, friends. Circle be radius of 1 unit. Anyhow, whatever the radius it is, both sides it will be cancelled if you take mod. So let me, for simple calculations, we can take the radius of the circle is 1 unit. Okay, that is mod A bar is equals to mod B bar is equals to mod C bar is 1. Sir, why you are taking it as 1? Why can't other number? You can take any number. For simple calculations, I am taking A bar mod A is equals to mod B is equals to mod C 1. Sir, what if you are not going to take 1? If you leave it like that? Yes, you can. If you can leave it like this, no issues at all. Because anyhow, mod A bar is equals to mod B bar is equals to mod C bar. Why these three are equal? These three are radius of the same circle. So it should be equal. Okay. So now they have given something like C bar is equals to alpha times A bar plus beta times B bar. alpha times a bar plus some beta times b bar. Now we know friends a bar dot c bar is equals to 0, no? So first we'll do a bar dot c bar, taking dot product both sides with a. So alpha a bar dot a bar, which is equals to mod a whole square plus beta times b bar dot a bar. Now a bar dot c bar will be 0 is equals to alpha into, as we have taken mod a as 1, so alpha into 1 plus beta b mod b into mod a into angle between b bar and a bar is 15 degree. So cos 15 degree. From here we can say alpha is equals to minus beta times cos 15 degree. This is one equation. The next we'll take b bar dot c bar, friends. So alpha times a bar dot b bar plus beta times b bar dot b bar is mod b whole square directly. B bar dot c bar mod b into mod c into, for angle between b bar and c bar is cos 15, cos 75 degree. Cos 75 is sin 15. We can write it as sin 15. Cos 75 is sin 15 degree. Alpha bar, sorry, it's not alpha bar. Why did I take alpha bar? Alpha into a bar dot b bar. A bar dot b bar is again, just now we did a bar dot b bar is mod a into mod b. 1 into cos 15 plus beta into 1, that is 1, that's it. Mod b into mod b. Now already we know what is alpha. Alpha is minus beta times cos 15, no? So sin 15 is equals to beta minus beta. Cos 15 into cos 15 is cos square 15. So which is equals to beta into 1 minus cos square 15, which is sin square 15. So clearly from this, friends, from this beta sin square 15 is equals to sin 15 means beta is equals to 1 by sin 15. We know sin 15 value is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Reciprocal of that 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1. Beta we got. Okay. What they are asking, alpha, it's not alpha is equals to, it is alpha plus this value. Alpha plus root 2 times root 3 minus 1 into beta. Now what is alpha value? Alpha is equals to minus beta, that is minus 2 root 2 times 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1 into cos 15 value is root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. 2 root 2, 2 root 2 gets cancelled, minus of root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. If we rationalize, we get 2 plus root 3. So alpha we got, beta we got. Okay, now just they are asking us to find alpha plus alpha, that is minus of 2 plus root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus 1 into beta. Where is beta? Beta is 2 root 2 by root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 cancel. 2 root 2 into root 2 is 4. So 4 minus 2 minus root 3. This is equals to 2 minus root 3, friends. I hope it is clear. Yeah. Very good question. Little confusing, but it's okay. It's okay. The answer is option 1. Next question. If the first term of an AP is 3, very simple question from arithmetic progression. A is 3, sum of first 4 terms, that is S4, is equals to 1/5, 1 by 5 of sum of the next 4 terms. Next 4 terms is nothing but S8 minus S4, that is sum of 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, that is S8 minus S4. So from here 5S4 plus S4, 6 times S4 is equals to S8. 6 times S4 is 6 into 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2 directly. 2A, 2 3s are 6 plus 3D is equals to S8 is 8 by 2. 4 into 2A, 6 plus 7D. So 2, 2, 2 1s, 2 3s, 3 6, 18 plus 9D is equals to 6 plus 7D. 9D minus 2D is equals to 12. D is equals to minus 6, friends. We have got D is equals to minus 6. See, A we know, D we know. They are just asking us to find S20. What is S20? Simple question. 10 n by 2. 20 by 2 is 10 times 2A. 2 6 are 2 into 3 are plus 19 into minus 6. N minus 1 into D, which is equals to minus 1080. Option 2, friends. Simple question from arithmetic progression. Next question. Let P be the foot of the perpendicular from the point. From the point, there is one point 10 comma minus 3 comma minus 1. P be the foot of the drawn from the point. From this point to a line, there is one line. And this is our point P now. This is Q. Line is x minus 3 by 7 is equals to y minus 2 by minus 1 is equals to z plus 1 by minus 2. Okay. So for some lambda, same story. Coordinates of P will be 7 lambda plus 3 minus lambda plus 2 minus 2 lambda minus 1. Now drs of PQ. drs of PQ will be 7 lambda plus 3 minus 10, which is 7 lambda minus 7 minus lambda plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 minus 2 lambda. That's it, only minus 2 lambda. So PQ is perpendicular to line. So dot product of these two drs will be equals to 0 now. So that is 7 lambda minus 7 into 7 is 7 7s are 49 lambda minus 49 plus lambda minus 5 2 2s are plus 4 lambda is equals to 0. So clearly lambda is equals to 1. See, 49 minus 49, 4 plus 1 5, 5 minus 5. Lambda is equals to 1. Now for lambda is equals to 1, coordinates of P will be 7 plus 3 10 minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Okay, now we have got what is the area of the right angled triangle PQR. Right angled triangle PQR. Then the area of the right angled triangle PQR. Angle. So we are not sure that R should only be here. It can be right angle at any point. Let's say some R be here. It can also be here, or all also can also be on the line L also. Okay, whatever it is. Now we need to find the area of the right angle area of the triangle. What is area of triangle? Area of triangle PQR is equals to half into modulus of PQ bar cross PR bar. By using cross product we can get directly. So that is half into modulus of IJK PQ bar. We know P, we know Q. So 10 minus 10 0. Next 1 plus 3 4 minus 3 plus 1, which is minus 2. PQ bar. PR bar is PR bar. This is R. 10 minus 3 7. 1 plus 2 3 minus 3 minus 1, which is minus 4. So by using this you will be getting a vector. I mean PQ bar cross PR bar, we get modulus of that vector by 2 will be the answer. So if you take the modulus of that will be now half into, if you get the final, then therefore final answer is 3 times root 30 will be the final answer. Get IJK, get this particular vector. After getting that, find the modulus of that PQ bar cross PR bar. That's how we get it. So whether the triangle here is right angle triangle or some other triangle, we are not going to bother it anything. Okay, because it is in 3D. So directly we can do area of triangle is half into PQ cross PR or PQ cross QR. Anything is fine. Next question, which is option 4. Given, let mod of z bar minus I divided by whatever it is, mod of, here they have given some conjugate. Actually, it's not in conjugate. We do one thing. It's not in conjugate. So, it is not in conjugate. Though it is conjugate. See, mod of z1 by z2 whole bar or mod of z1 by z2 is same. Okay. So, that's the reason. Now, we'll do the question directly. Suppose it is z bar minus I, z belongs to C, be the equation of a circle with a center C. To get the equation of circle with center C, first what we do, this is z bar minus I divided by, we'll take 2 out ma. If I take 2 out, this is z bar plus I by 2 whole is equals to 1 by 3. Now I take this 2 this side, this becomes 2 by 3 now. If I take this 2 to the other side, that becomes 2 by 3. Okay. Now put let's say some z is equals to x plus iy, or okay, we'll cross multiply first. 3 times modulus of z bar minus I is equals to 2 times modulus of z bar plus I by 2. Z bar plus I by 2. So now squaring on both sides, or we do one thing. Z is equals to x plus iy. So that is squaring on both sides. Modulus of this is, what is modulus of this before squaring? 3 times x minus iy, x minus iy minus I is equals to 2 times x minus iy plus I by 2. So clearly 9 times x square plus y plus 1 whole square is equals to 4 times x square plus y minus 1 by 2 whole square. If I take I common, minus y plus 1 by 2, so that becomes, if I y minus 1 by 2 whole square. So now we have to simplify this, friends. If we simplify this, we'll be getting one circle. 9x square, 4x square means first, okay, we'll simplify. 9 times of x square plus y square plus 2y plus 1 is equals to 4 times of x square plus y minus 1 by 2 whole square is y square minus 2 into y into 1 by 2, which is minus y plus 1 by 4. So finally we get 9x square minus 4x square is 5x square plus 5y square. 9 2s are 18y. 18 plus 4, 22y. 9 1s are 9. 9 minus 1 plus 8 is equals to 0. What is the center of this circle, ma? Center of the circle is 0 comma minus g comma minus f. So what is f here? F is 11 by 5. Minus f means 0 comma minus 11 by 5 is the center of this circle. Now what we need? If the area of the triangle, same question again. Now if we know 3 coordinates of a triangle, what is the area of the triangle? Let's say this is some O, C, O, P. Okay. So area of triangle COP is equals to half into determinant of 0 0 1 0 minus 11 by 5 1, x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1, and x3 y3 1 is alpha 0 1. So if we can expand this determinant directly, alpha into half into alpha times 1 into 0 minus 11 by 5 we got. Alpha into 1 into 0 minus 11 by 5. This is what we have got. So they have given this is equals to area is equals to 11, friends. So that means 11 gets cancelled. Alpha is equals to minus 10 we got. They are asking us to find alpha square. 10 square, which is 100. Clearly 10 square is equals to 100. Okay. Sir, why did you take minus here? Because if you are going to expand with this cofactor, it is minus, no? That's why. Next, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Yes. So alpha is equals to minus 10. Then that becomes 11 gets cancelled. Alpha square they are asking, it is equals to plus 100. Next question. R given be a relation defined on the set 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the minimum number of elements needed to be added in R so that R becomes an equivalence relation. R becomes an equivalence relation means it should be reflexive, it should be symmetric and transitive. See, to be reflexive, we should have 1, 1, 2, 2, already 3, 3 is there, 4, 4. So these three should be added for to be reflexive. Next, to be symmetric, 1, 2 we have, 2, 1 should be there. 2, 3 we have, 3, 2 should be there. Okay. This is regarding symmetric. To make it transitive, see we have 3, 2 and 2, 1. So 3, 1 should be there. If 3, 1 is there, again to make symmetric, 1, 3 should be there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minimum 7 elements should be added to make it an equivalence relation. Simple question. Next, number of words which can be formed. A very simple question from permutations and combinations, friends. Using all the letters of the word daughter so that all the vowels never come together. Total minus vowels come together. Simple. Total number of permutations. Total minus vowels come together. Total minus vowels come together. So this implies what is total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 factorial minus vowels come together means how many vowels we have? 1, 2, 3. Total 8. These 3 letters are combined as 1 unit. Okay. 5 plus 1, 6 factorial. Internally, these 3 vowels can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. So 8 factorial minus 6 factorial into 3 factorial, which is equals to 36,000, friends. Direct answer. Next question. Let the area of a triangle PQR be vertices 5, 4 minus 2, 4 and R is A comma B. The area given, its orthocenter and centroid are given. Then we have to find centroid of the triangle. To get centroid of the triangle, we need another vertex. Let's see. PQR is one triangle. PQR is a triangle. Vertices 5, 4 minus 2, 4. R is some A, B. Okay. R is some A, B. Now what they are asking, orthocenter given. Orthocenter means perpendicular. If this is some M, N, then this will be our orthocenter O. Orthocenter is 2, 14 by 5. Okay. How to get R? We do one thing, ma. We'll get the equation of QR. We'll get the equation of PR and we solve these two. We solve PR and QR, then we'll get A, B. Okay. So for that, to get the equation of QR, we need slope. Actually, we have point. So slope PM is perpendicular to QR, no? So what is slope of OP? Slope of OP. Slope of OP is equals to Y2 minus Y1. 4 minus 14 by 5 divided by 5 minus 2, which is 3. So 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. 6 by 5 into 3. 3 1s, 3 2s, which is equals to 2 by 5. Now slope of QR will be minus 5 by 2 because these two are perpendicular. So equation of QR is y minus y1 is equals to m of x minus x1. From here we get 2y minus 8 is equals to minus 5x minus 10. 5x plus 2y plus 2 is equals to 0. This is the equation of QR. In the same way, friends, equation of PR. To get PR, what we do? We'll take slope of OQ. and perpendicular slope will be slope of PR. So equation of PR will be, I am writing it directly, 10x minus 3y minus 38 is equals to 0. This is equation 2. Now solving these two. 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 12. So by solving these two, you will get 2 comma minus 6 as the point of intersection. So 2 comma minus 6, 5 2 is 10 minus 12 plus 2, correct. So 2 comma minus 6 is the point of intersection. That is nothing but, what is QR intersection PR is nothing but R. So we have got R now. Now from these three we can get what we can get, centroid we can get. What is centroid now? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. 2 minus 2, 0, 0 plus 5. So that is 5 by 3 comma 4 plus 4, 8, 8 minus 6, 2 is the centroid. And now this is equals to our C comma D, friends. They are asking us to find C plus 2D. C plus 2D is, that is 5 by 3 plus 2D plus 4 by 3. 9 by 3, which is equals to 3, option 2. Clear? Next question. X belongs to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4. Yes. Then cos inverse of this. So we'll do one thing, like this is of the form cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. We'll take 12 by 13 is equals to some cos alpha. Then immediately sin alpha will be 5 by 13 because it is a Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so now this becomes cos inverse of cos x into cos alpha plus sin x into sin alpha. So cos inverse of cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, cos of x minus alpha. Cos inverse of cos x minus alpha is x minus alpha. Okay, now alpha, what is alpha? They are asking in terms of tan, boss. Tan means if sin alpha is 5 by 13, tan alpha will be 5 by 12. Alpha is equals to tan inverse of 5 by 12. Alpha is equals to tan inverse of 5 by 12. So simple question, x minus of tan inverse of 5 by 12, which is option 2. Next question. The value of sin 70 into cot 10 cot 70 minus 1. Friends, just to express both the causes in terms of cos and sin. So sin 70 into this, we can write it as cos 10 cos 70 divided by sin 10 sin 70 minus 1. Take LCM, sin 70 times cos 10 cos 70 minus sin 10 sin 70 by sin 10 sin 70. Sin 70 gets cancelled. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is cos of A plus B. That is cos 80 divided by sin 10. Cos 80 means cos of 90 minus 10, which is equals to sin 10 only. So sin 10 by sin 10, which is equals to 1, friends. A very simple question from trigonometry. Lucky, friends. The students who have written exam on 23rd morning are really lucky with this question. Now next question from statistics, which is actually great in statistics it is. See, marks obtained by all the students of class 12 are presented in a frequency distribution with the classes of equal width. Fine. Let the median of this group data. So median they have given. Median is equals to 14. Median class also given. Median class frequency given. If the number of students whose marks are cumulative frequency also given, then the total number of students. They are asking us to frequency. You know median formula, M is equals to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H, where L is the lower limit of the median class, N is total frequency, CF is cumulative frequency of the class preceding median class, and F is frequency of the median class. I guess they have given all of them. So 14 is equals to L. L is 12 plus N by 2, we are not sure, only this we are supposed to, minus CF. CF is number of students whose marks less than 12 is 18 divided by 12. Frequency of the median class is 12 into h. h is class 8. 18 minus 12 is 6. 6 1 6 2 is 14 minus 12 is 2 is equals to n by 2 minus 18 by 2. So 2 2 is 4. A plus 18 is equals to n by 2. n by 2 is equals to 22. n is equals to 44. Option 2. Next question. Let the position vectors of the vectors vertices A, B and C of a tetrahedron. It is tetrahedron. A, B, C, D, B, they have given A bar, B bar, OA bar, OB bar, OC bar given respectively. The altitude from the vertex D to the opposite face ABC meets the median line segment. Acha. Through A of the triangle ABC at the point E. If the length of AD is some root 110 by 3 and the volume of tetrahedron is root 805 by something, then the position vector of point E, OE bar they are asking. Let's try to draw a diagram, friends. Let's try to draw one diagram. Let's say we have one triangle. ABC is one triangle. AC ABC is a triangle. Okay. Now let a tetrahedron, no? So this is what our tetrahedron. Now ABCD is a tetrahedron. Okay. They have given vertices of A, comma B and C. A vertices is 1 2 1. 1 comma 2 comma 1 coordinates of A. B as 1 3 minus 2, 1 3 minus 2, 1 comma 3 comma minus 2 and C 2 1 minus 1. Okay, 2 1 minus 1. First we should know that volume of tetrahedron. Volume of tetrahedron is 1/3 of base area into altitude. Altitude means height h. 1/3 into base area into height h. Okay, this is the volume of tetrahedron. Now for that, if you take base as ABC, they have given the altitude from D meets the median A. So let me take AF as the median, and this AD intersects AF, that means AE is perpendicular to AF. This is altitude. Okay. Now this is median. Now median means F will be the midpoint. 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, 1 plus 3, 4 by 2, minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now we need OE bar, we need. First let's find area of triangle ABC, friends. So area of triangle ABC, as usual, half into modulus of AB bar cross AC bar. Modulus of AB bar cross AC bar, which is equals to half into AB bar. AB bar is 1 minus IJK first. 1 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 2, 1, minus 2 minus 1, minus 3. AC bar 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 2, minus 1, minus 1 minus 1, minus 2. So this is equals to half into modulus of this is root 35, friends. Area of triangle ABC we have got. Just expand it, you will be getting the cross product of this and get the modulus, you will get root 35. Now area of ABC we have got. Now volume of tetrahedron also they have given, correct? Volume of tetrahedron is they have given root over 805 by 6 root 2. So this volume is equals to root 805 by 6 root 2. numbers itself are big is equals to 1 by 3 times base area. What is base area? Half into root 35 into height. Height is our DE now. DE will be height. Okay, height is DE. So from here if you simplify, DE is equals to root over 23 by 2 friends. We have got DE, height as DE, DE is equals to root 23 by 2. Okay, now from the diagram DE is perpendicular, so they have also given AD given. So from the diagram can we say AD square is equals to, this is right angle triangle, no? AD is right angle triangle. So AD square is equals to AE square plus DE square. AE square plus DE square. AE square plus DE square. That is nothing but AE square is equals to AD square minus DE square. So AD we know, and DE also we know. So that becomes, from here if we substitute these two, we'll be getting root over 13 by 18 friends. AE is equals to root 13 by 18. We have got AE. AE we have got. Okay, now what we need, we have got AE also. After getting AE, to get AE, we'll find AE bar. To find AE bar, see friends, AE bar is equals to, modulus of AE bar is anyhow, just now we did, what is that? That is root over 13 by 18. Root over 13 by 18 into, this is in the direction of AF bar, correct? This is in the direction of AF bar. That is, we can write it as AF bar by mod AF bar. AF bar by mod of AF bar. So AE bar is equals to root over 13 by 18 into, what is AF bar? 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1, which is 1 by 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 3 by 2 minus 1 is minus 5 by 2. So we can just take, if we multiply with that by 2, that is I minus 5k divided by modulus of this is root over 26. Root over 26, correct? 1 plus 5, 26. So 13 ones, 13 twos, 18 twos are 36. Root 36 is 1 by 6. That is 1 by 6 times I minus 5k friends. So this is what our AE bar. Okay, now we have got AE bar. Once we get AE bar, we know AE bar is equals to OE bar minus OA bar. So from here, OE bar is equals to AE bar plus OA bar. AE bar is anyhow, just now we did, what we did? 1 by 6 times. 1 by 6 times I minus 5k plus OA bar. What is OA bar? I plus 2j plus k. I plus 2j plus k. So finally that will be 6 ones are 6 plus, that is 1 by 6 of 6 plus 1, 7i. 6 twos are 12. 12j. 6 minus 5, which is plus k, which is option, which option boss? Option 4. Clear? So diagram, first make sure you are good at draw a rough sketch. From the rough sketch you identify that base is ABC. We found out the base area, and before that you should know the formula of how to calculate volume of tetrahedron friends. Next question. AB adjoint of A inverse plus adjoint of B inverse are non-singular matrices of the same order, then inverse of this. Inverse of something. See friends, it is simple actually. What we need? Inverse of A into adjoint A inverse plus adjoint of B inverse whole inverse of this into B into whole inverse of this. Acha, whole inverse of this, inverse of this. So by using this actually properties, A into B whole inverse is equals to B inverse into A inverse. that will be in reverse order. So that becomes B inverse into this whole inverse of whole inverse will be just direct adjoint of A inverse plus adjoint of B inverse into A inverse. This is the first step. So that becomes now B inverse into, let's separate it, adjoint of A inverse into A inverse plus B inverse into adjoint of B inverse into A inverse. We all know that A into adjoint A is equals to adjoint A into A is equals to det A into I, correct? So adjoint of A inverse into A inverse is equals to determinant of A inverse. Determinant of A inverse is det A, 1 by det A. Determinant of A inverse is 1 by det A plus B inverse into, that is 1 by det B. A inverse divided by det B. Now what is B inverse C, friends? Generally A inverse is equals to adjoint A by det A, correct? So B inverse is adjoint B by det B. Already we have det A. So det A into det B plus A inverse is adjoint A by det A, that is adjoint A by det A into det B. So this is nothing but 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint B plus adjoint A or adjoint A plus adjoint B. Anything is fine of your wish. Okay. So I hope it is clear, friends. Very simple question and good question. If the system of equations has infinitely many solutions, if the system has infinitely many solutions, what is the approach? The approach is delta is equals to delta 1 is equals to delta 2 is equals to 0. First we will go with delta. What is delta? Lambda minus 1, lambda minus 4, lambda minus 1, lambda minus 4, lambda plus 1, lambda plus 2 and minus of lambda plus 2. Minus of lambda plus 2. All correct? Yes. This should be equals to 0. Friends, if you expand the determinant, we will be getting lambda minus 3 times 2 lambda plus 1 is equals to 0. So from here we have got lambda is equals to 3 or lambda is equals to minus 1 by 2. Lambda takes only one value. So sir, will it be 3 or minus 1 by 2? We will be getting that by taking one more determinant, either delta 1 or delta 2 or delta 3. This will be over. So either to take lambda equals to 3 or lambda equals to minus 1 by 2, we will get that conclusion from one among these three determinants. You can take either delta 1 or delta 2. From there it will be, you will get either one more solution. I mean, if it is only lambda equals to 3, there it will be only lambda 3. You will be taking only the common values. Okay. But in this case, actually see friends, they are asking us to find lambda square plus lambda. If lambda is 3, lambda square plus lambda is 3 square, 9 plus 3, 12. 12 is in the options. If lambda is minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, which is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is not in the options. So you can just take lambda is equals to 3. If there are options, if there are options like 3 by 4 also, then for sure you're supposed to go with another determinant. Okay. And if it is numerical type, so don't go with this case. You have to take another determinant, that is either delta 1 or delta 2 or delta 3, and from there you have to finalize what is the value of lambda and get only that lambda as the final value. Okay. As I have options, 4 options, with no option matching 3 by 4. So that's the reason I have taken directly lambda as 3. Next question. One die has two faces marked 1. Okay, there is a die 1. Die 1 has two faces marked 1, two faces marked 2, and one face 3, one face 4. Okay, one face 3, one face 4. Die 2, another one face 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay, the probability of getting the sum of the numbers to be 4 or 5. Friends, to get either 4 or 5, what are all the possibilities we get? To get 4 or 5, 4, first 4 means 1 3 3 1 1 3 3 1 2 2 1 3 3 1 2 2. Next 1 3 3 1 2 2. These are all for 4. For 5 means 1 4 4 1 2 3 3 2 1 4 4 1 2 3 3 2. That's it. So let's get the probabilities. See guys, we have to get 1 on first dice and 3 on the second dice. Getting 1 on first dice is 2 by 6, correct, no? And getting 3 on the second dice is also 2 by 6. Getting 3 on first dice 1 by 6. Getting 1 on second dice 1 by 6. Getting 2 by 6, 2 by 6. Getting 1. Getting 4. Getting 4. Getting 1. Getting 2. Getting 3. Getting 3. Getting 2. So denominator is anyhow 36. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 by 36, which is equals to 1 by 2. Clear? Next, so we are done with section A. Now coming to section B, friends. In that, the first question from section B, if the area of the larger portion bounded between the curves x square plus y square is equals to 25. What is x square plus y square is equals to 25? A circle. First, x square plus y square is equals to 25 is a circle with the center at origin and radius 5 units. Radius 5 units. Correct, no? So this is the circle with the center at origin and radius is 5 units. Radius is 5 units. Next, y is equals to mod of x minus 1. Mod of x minus 1, if suppose here it is x equals to 1 comma 0, then mod of x minus 1 will be, mod of x minus 1 will be, this is how y is equals to mod of x minus 1 will be. This region will be x minus 1 and this will be y is equals to 1 minus x. Okay, done. Now let's find the points of intersection of these two. So clearly points of intersection of these two is x is equals to 4 comma 3 will be a point, because 4 square plus 3 square will be 25 and 4 comma 3 will be a point on this. Next, x negative, no? X should be 1 minus 3. Minus 3 comma 4 will be another point. X minus 3, 1 plus 3, 4. Minus 3 comma 4 will be a point. Okay. Now area of the larger portion. Larger portion means this portion. This is they are just interested in this portion, friends. So to get this shaded region, we have one thing. To get required region, required area. Let's say required area is some A. Okay. Let's say required area is equals to some A. Now to get this A, total circle, area of total circle is pi r square. Pi r square is 25 pi minus let's get the area of this part. This part is some A1. Pi minus A1. We can write it as pi minus A1, friends. First let's find, it's easy to find A1. Okay. So now what is A1 actually? A1 is equals to, from where to where? From minus 3 to 4. Minus 3 to 4. Circle minus modulus. Circle. What is circle? Root over 25 minus x square. Root over 25 minus x square. Minus modulus. Modulus is mod of x minus 1. Whole dx. So this is nothing but now from minus 3 to 4 root over 25 minus x square minus minus 3 to 4 mod of x minus 1 whole dx. Now minus 3 to 4 root over 25 minus x, root over a square minus x square is x by 2 into root over 25 minus x square plus a square by 2, 25 by 2 into sine inverse of x by a, sine inverse of x by 5 from where to where? From minus 3 to 4 minus of this area is minus 3 to 4, 8 plus 9 by 2 friends, 8 plus 9 by 2, 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 9, this is 25 by 2. This is simple. What do we do actually? From minus 3 to 1, it is 1 minus x. From minus 3 to plus 1, from minus 3 to 1, from minus 3 to 1, it is 1 minus x, and 1 to 4, it is x minus 1. So get this directly. Now if we put x equals to 4, 4 by 2 is 2 into root over 25 minus 16. 25 minus 16 is 3, 2 into 3 plus 25 by 2 into sine inverse of 4 by 5. Okay, sine inverse of 4 by 5 whole minus of, if we put minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 times root over 25 minus 9. 25 minus is root 16. Root 16 is 4. So that is again minus 6. Sine minus 25 by 2 times sine inverse of 3 by 5 whole minus 25 by 2. So finally this will be now 6 plus 6, 12. 25 by 2 sine inverse of 4 by 5 plus sine inverse of 3 by 5. Friends, sine inverse of, if I take 25 by 2, I get sine inverse of 4 by 5 plus sine inverse of 3 by 5. Sine inverse of 4 by 5 plus sine inverse of 3 by 5 is pi by 2. This, because sine inverse 3 by 5, we can write it as cos inverse 4 by 5. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is 1 minus 25 by 2, friends. So this is nothing but now finally, so finally what is a1 now? a1 is equals to 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 25 by 2 into pi by 2 minus 25 by 2. So 12, this is 25 times pi by 4 minus 25 by 2. 12 2s are 24, that is 25 pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. So this is what our final a1. Now what is our required region A? Area required region is equals to, from total circle we exclude this 25 pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. So finally friends, 25 minus this 4 into 25, 100 minus 25, that is 75 pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. Yeah, so this we can write it as 1 by 4 of, sorry, plus 1 by 2, 1 by 4 of 75 pi plus 2, 1 by 4 of 75 pi plus 2. Now they are asking 1 by 4 of b pi plus c. So clearly b is equals to 75 and c is equals to 2. B plus c is equals to 75 plus 2, which is equals to 77 is the answer. Clear? Answer is 77. Next question. The sum of all rational terms in the expansion of 1 plus 2 power 1 by 3 plus 3 power 1 by 2 whole power 6. From multinomial theorem, friends. Multinomial theorem. So first this we can write it as, the general term is rth term is equals to, general term of this expansion is general term of 1 plus 2 power 1 by 3 plus 3 power 1 by 2 whole power 6 is equals to, what is that? 6 factorial divided by a factorial into b factorial into c factorial into 1 power a into 2 power 1 by 3 power b means 2 power b by 3 into c power 3 power c by 2, where a plus b plus c should be equals to 6 and all of them should be greater than or equals to 0 and less than or equals to 6. So what are all the values of a, b, c it takes? That is what the important thing. A, B, C, friends. Okay, we'll start. Now see, b by 3 should be a multiple of, b should be a multiple of 3. So first, if b takes 0, first case, 6 is 0. If b takes 0, c can take 2. Correct now? Then it should be 4. C can take 4, then it should be 2. C can take 6, then it can be 0. Okay, these are all the cases with respect to B0. Next, if B is 3, C 0, then this will be 3. If B is 3 again, C 2, 3 plus 2 5, 1 again. C can't be 4 because 4 plus 3 will be 7. If B is 6, C 0, C 0, this also 0, only one case. So now these are all the cases we are supposed to add them. These are all the rational terms. Okay, so now sum of the rational terms will be now sum of the rational terms, sum of all rational terms is starting from 6 factorial divided by a factorial, b factorial, c factorial, which is 6 factorial into 1 power 6, which is only 1, plus second case is 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial, 1 power 4, 3 power 2 by 2, which is 3 power 1, plus 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 4 factorial, 1 square, not necessary, 3 power 4 by 2, which is 3 square, plus 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial and again 3 power 6 by 2, which is 3 cube, plus 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 0 factorial, 1 power 3 not necessary, 2 power 1, plus 6 factorial divided by 1 factorial, 3 factorial into 2 factorial, 2 power 3 by 3, 2 power 1 into 3 power 1, plus 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 1 power 0, 2 power 6 by 3, 2 power 6 by 3 is 2 square into 3 power, that's it. So if you are going to add all of them, friends, the answer is 612. You just add them, you will be getting 612 as the final answer. Now next question, if the set of all values of a for which the equation 5x cube minus 15x minus a is equals to 0 has 3 distinct real roots in the interval is alpha comma beta, then what is the value of beta minus 2 alpha? See friends, we have a function f of x is equals to 5x cube minus 15x. Okay, first let's take one function as f of x is equals to just 5x cube minus 15x only. Chhod do, like don't take this a. Okay, now what is f dash x? F dash x is equals to 5 3s are 15x square minus 15. So 15 times x square minus 1, that is nothing but 15 into x minus 1 into x plus 1. Correct? Now if you understand the graph of this function, friends, if you understand the graph of this function, what is f of 1? F of 1, 5 1 ja 5, 5 minus 15 minus 10, and f of minus 1, f of minus 1 is where is this? Minus 5 plus 15, which is plus 10. So the graph of this f of x will be f of 1 is minus 10, f of 1 minus 10, f of minus 1 plus 10. So, and it is passing through origin, correct? Now this is the graph of f of x is equals to 5x cube minus 15x. Okay, and f of minus 1 value is plus 10, f of 1 value is minus 10. Now see friends, Now if you are going to add a particular value, add what is that? Add a particular value minus a to this, as long as you add any value which lie in between minus 10 and plus 10, this function is going to have exactly 3 solutions. Exactly 3 solutions. As long as you are going to have f of x, it will only be shifting. It will only be shifting. So as long as the value of a belongs to from minus 10 to plus 10, this function f of x is equals to 5x cube minus 15x minus a will be having 3 distinct real roots. Therefore, a belongs to minus 10 to plus 10. Now they have given a belongs to minus 10 to plus 10 means alpha is equals to minus 10, beta is equals to plus 10. Now they are asking beta minus 2 alpha. Beta is 10 plus minus of minus 2 into 10, which is equals to 30. Therefore, the answer is 30. Answer is 30. Next question, friends. The last question. If the equation, a quadratic equation has equal roots. Friends, just by looking we can say x equals to 1 is the root. X equals to 1 is the root. And if this has equal roots, the other root will also be 1 again. 1 comma 1 are the roots now. Now, if 1 comma 1 are the roots, what is product of the roots? Product of the roots is generally c by a. What is c by a here? So, c into a minus b divided by a of b minus c is equals to 1. From here, ac minus bc is equals to ab minus ac. So, which implies 2ac is equals to ab plus bc. 2ac is equals to a of b plus c, sorry, b of a plus c. B known, b is 36 by 5. So 2 times of ac is equals to b is 36 by 5. Into a plus c is also given 15. 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 18 ja. So ac is equals to 54, friends. Now ac we know, a plus c know. What is a square plus c square? A square plus c square, a square plus c square, it is just equals to a plus c whole square minus 2ac. So a plus c whole square is a plus c is 15 square 225 minus 2ac. 54 2s are 108. So 225 minus 108 we need. 225 minus 108. 15 minus 8, 7, 117. So the answer is 117, friends. See, very simple. The answer is, final answer is 117. So my dear friends, with that we are done with the full paper of 23rd morning shift. Okay, we'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care everyone. All the best.